do you sell a year or treatment?
It's about, there's about 20,000 small pumpkins for the kids. 6,000 or 7,000 large pumpkins for the public.
Wow. Hey, Manuel, our photographer, just spin around and show all those pumpkins out there. I would say you're ready for the opening tomorrow.
Yes, we are.
Oh, wait. All right, well, you stay open until the 31st, Halloween, of course. You're open every day, 7 days a week, from 9 a.m. till about 6.
That's right, yeah.
Another great
You gonna ride the horsey backwards?
They actually have a haunted barn. Now, we
But I keep telling everybody how smart you are, honey. I tell everybody what a genius you are. And you're riding the horsey backwards?
It's really artistic. It's an artistic haunted barn.
Not impressed. Oh, you were just going over the horse. Oh, no. Back on. Where's... Oh, I see. That's how you get on. You get on backwards and then turn around. Let's see how this works. Yeah. There we go. Is that better? Is that better? Scarlett? Honey? Is that better? Yeah.